Big support and big thanks to everybody that's been showing support on all the videos so far. We are in 24th day of posting consistent content on a daily basis, and you guys have been, you know, the usual people that's been commenting. Also, not to mention the 2 members of the channel, thank you so much. And the stream that we did yesterday, you know, Frank FTP, thank you for donating £10, really supports the channel. Just want to show my gratitude. As every morning, how we're supposed to, you know, journal and, you know, have a bit of gratitude every morning. Helps the soul, helps the person you're trying to be, and I believe every single person needs to do that. You know, you'd be surprised with how much your vibe and your positivity increases, shoots out the roof. Obviously, I've been enjoying it every day, doing the morning workout, morning jog, press ups, jumping in the car, doing the morning drive. Like I said, there were probably like 1 or 2 days where I didn't want to get up because I went to sleep late, which happens, of course. You know, life is unpredictable. But the early stages of making content and, you know, whatever passion you have or working hard, it's always going to be difficult. It always is. The foundations are always going to be hard. Every successful person says the same thing, where the beginning stages of, you know, doing something you want to be good at, or, you know, be great or be successful, you have to be willing to put the work in at the beginning stages, and eventually you look back and you're starting to cruise. You know, you went from like I said, like a Micra, then you're upgrading into a better car. Like in real life, you're starting to fly up like a rocket. You know, it's so hard to fly, and then when it gets up, eventually it starts cruising like proper, like easy. And, you know, like I said, the work rate that you do and the consistency that you put in every day will reflect, you know, every day it will start going up, and eventually it'll start flying up into the air. And so that's one thing I wanted to, you know, talk about: consistency. It's not about the drive, but I just thought I'll just add it in because it's working for me in the past 24 days of consistently dropping content. And boys, the facts don't lie, and it's all true. It's all paying off, and it's only going to get better. I'm only going to keep pushing. And again, it all boils back down to I'm just enjoying it, and I'm just doing what I'm doing on a daily basis. I'm not trying to break a back, I'm not trying to go overkill with the situation, but it's a dopamine thing. If you don't know what dopamine is, it's like, you know, doing something that gives you a good feeling, and if you do it all the time, that's the level of baseline your dopamine baseline levels are. So to top that up, you gotta do something even more crazy, which a lot of people are getting off. So when you know, dumb it down again and get into a slower car, that becomes the new baseline. So then when you jump into a fast car again, that enjoyment is crazy high. So that's something that I've been doing, and all people should incorporate that in life, right?